breast pump, step by step. This pump does not need any battery, motor, or electricity, making it simple, quiet, and easy to use anywhere. Step 1. Get comfortable. First, wash your hands properly. Sit in a relaxed position, with your back supported. Make sure the breast pump is clean and assembled correctly. Step 2. Position the pump. Now, gently place the breast shield over your breast. Center your nipple inside the funnel so it feels comfortable and not tight. A good seal helps with better milk flow. Step 3. Start pumping slowly. Using your hand, gently press and release the pump handle. Start with slow, soft squeezes to stimulate milk flow. There is no need to rush. Comfort is very important. Step 4. Find a steady rhythm. Once milk starts flowing, continue pumping with a steady rhythm. You can adjust pressure using your hand strength. If it feels uncomfortable, slow down or stop and reposition. Step 5. Switch sides if needed. After a few minutes, or when milk flow slows, you can switch to the other breast. Most moms pump for about 10 to 15 minutes per side. Step 6. Finish and clean. When done, carefully remove the pump. Store the milk safely according to storage guidelines. Clean all pump parts with warm soapy water and let them air dry. Manual breast pumps are perfect for travel,